Good day, grade 2. Today we're going to have a lesson that you'll surely have fun with. And to start, everyone, what do you see? Very good. It is a staircase. And what is a staircase for? Yes, we use them to go up or to go down. And you know what? Even numbers can go up or down too. And that's what we're going to talk about in our topic, which is arranging numbers in decreasing and increasing order. And to start, let's talk about the decreasing order or numbers that are arranged from greatest to least. There. So for example, let's arrange the numbers below in decreasing order. We have 341, 121, and 231. Now, remember grade 2 that the decreasing order of number is arranging numbers from greatest to least or from the biggest to the smallest one. And now, let's arrange 341, 121, and 231. Now, remember, my dear grade 2, that when we are arranging numbers in decreasing order, we have to look for the biggest number first. And for that, we can use our place value chart. There. So as you can see, we can use the place value chart to arrange the numbers and compare them. So now, let's look at the hundreds. So as you can see, they are arranged this way. So 3 is here, followed by 2, and then of course by 1. So we have here 341 is more than 231 and 231 is more than 121. Now, the answer is 341, 231, and 121. And these numbers are arranged from the greatest to least. It is in the decreasing order. Next, another example. Let's arrange again the numbers below in decreasing order. We have 250, 220, and 290. Now again, we're going to arrange the numbers in decreasing order. So as you can see in our place value chart, we have here in the hundreds the digit 2, so they are all just the same. But let's look at the tens. So the numbers are arranged this way. We have 9, and then 5, and then 2. And then in the ones, we all have 0. So now we can see that 290 is more than 250 and 250 is more than 220. And the answer is 290, 250, and 250 because 290 is more than 250 and 250 is more than 220. These numbers are arranged from the greatest to least. It is in the decreasing order. Now let's go to the increasing order or least to greatest arrangement of numbers. So there. Now for example, let's arrange the numbers below in increasing order. We have 341, 121, and 231. Now, the increasing order of number is arranging numbers from least to greatest or from the smallest to the biggest. Now, let's arrange the numbers in increasing order. So we have 341, 121, and 231. And again, we may use the place value chart to compare the numbers. So here, as we can see, in the hundreds, the numbers are arranged this way. We have here 1, 2, and 3. And then, we can now see that 121 is less than 231 and 231 is less than 341. That's why the answer is 121, 231, and 341. And these numbers are arranged from the least to greatest. It is in the increasing order. Another example, Let's arrange again the numbers below in increasing order. We have 250, 220, and 290. Again, let's look at our place value chart. As we can see in the hundreds, we have the same digits. We have 2, but in the tens, the numbers are arranged this way. We have 2, 5, and 9. That's why we can see that 220 is less than 250 and 250 is less than 290. That's why the answer is 220, 250, and 290. And these numbers are arranged from the least to greatest. It is in the increasing order. Now remember, numbers can be arranged or ordered from greatest to least, which is decreasing, or from least to greatest, which is increasing. Great job, grade 2. Now we know how to arrange numbers in decreasing and decreasing order.